Mississippi. Now, it's rare that you hear that JDF officer died. Now we hear 2 dead in the space of about a week. The first one was Captain Blake Roper, right, who died in a car accident. And the second is Major Bonnie Paul Williams, right, BP Williams. Now, him story, I don't know if it's just the way how the media reported, but it just not make much sense to me. So I can talk about it. First, a little backstory on Major Williams. He was a doctor in the JDF Reserve. Right, so you might have heard about, JDF officer. Right, so I'm gonna say it's a doctor in the JDF Reserve. He was a radiologist. He was also the JNR's, that's the Jamaica National Reserves Brigade medical officer. This is what stands out to me about his story. Right, because I'm gonna say it sounds very vague and strange based on how the media is reporting it. The official tagline is that he died attempting to foil a car robbery. He was driving towards his home and 87 opened fire on his car, took his weapon. They don't mention a shootout. So how did he attempt to foil it? Did he push his head through the vehicle and say stop? I don't understand. I was looking to hear there's some kind of shootout, but the media don't report that. As I said, there's no mention of him shooting at the perpetrators. Right? They make it sound like he must have get shot out from the vehicle and his body was found outside the vehicle. This could be exactly how it went down, but just the way how it's reported just make it sound strange. As I said, the news did not say he fired at them, but he attempted to foil the robbery. So a group of car thieving 87s just happened to be very well armed, shoot him up in a vehicle, but just because they might drive towards him, because that's how the news make it sound, right? And also knew he was armed and to take him weapon, even though there's no report of him shooting at them. But he just say he's driving towards them and them start shooting him up and then go take his weapon. Now, this happened in Millsboro. I'm assuming the homes there have cameras, so hopefully something can come out. Next thing was spooky to me. The RJR originally reported this story as a home invasion and then deleted it. Is that some kind of journalistic mistake and they corrected it, or what? I'm just asking questions. So I'd say it could go exactly how I painted, but I'm just spooked right now. I'm going to play an audio clip. This is from Luke. I want you to listen to his mother. Listen to what she's saying. Listen closely. Listen to the pain of a mother who lost her son. Check this out.
But him a serve country and major in the army, major this all about and that not the accident. Me think my son leave and go live in one safe area. Then kill my son in the safe area, Lord Jesus Christ. But him a serve country and major in the army, major this all about and that not the accident. Me think my son leave and go live in one safe area. Then kill my son in the safe area, Lord Jesus Christ. Then they kill my son, oh Lord God. Oh, Steve, they kill my son. We can't believe it, we can't believe it. Oh, my son could have done nobody. And the son I come from, oh Lord Jesus Christ.
Now, as you can imagine, she is distraught. The last thing you want to hear. Parent burying child. Now, she mentions, serving his country. Right. She mentions, safe area, Millsboro, uptown, Anyway, in an area, man, where you think safe, here's a test for you. If someone can drive a car and stop at the gate, the area is not safe. It might be safer than Lauriston. It might be safer than Marchpen Road. Right? But safe? No. Safe for me means there would be some kind of hurdle or great obstacle that would stop an attack by 87s. Which community you live in now that have something we can stop, right? An attack from 87s. Do you live in Upper Camp? Think about it. Police stations get attacked, firebombed. So how can an area or a home be safe? So, as me say, I don't know if it's just the way they're reporting it. I don't know if people made mistakes and just correcting it. But I'm just spooked right now. The major, right, as them said, trying to foil a car break-in, end up losing life. When I first heard the foil attempt, I thought there was some kind of shootout and them killing. There's no reports of that. I don't understand. It don't explain why them kill him. He might broke in a car, he might drive towards them, right? If he got foiled robbery, then just start shoot up in car, let's go take him up on. But him not fire one shot off of them, it's weird. Anyway, just remember that man's mother. Remember what she said. Think about it. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Culture squad, stay circling. Bless.